Making 5 to 6 figures in your coaching or service-based business online with online courses? Yes, that is very much possible. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage online courses so you can grow your business this year. Hey friends, I'm Myrra and I make new videos every Monday on my YouTube channel to help Christian women coaches get their online courses done so they can multiply their income and impact. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the bell to be notified when I post videos on course creation, business, and faith-based personal development. Creating online courses can be a great way to grow your coaching or service-based business this year. If you're a coach, expert, consultant, author, or service-based entrepreneur, you must leverage courses to 1. Go from one-on-one to one-to-many model. If you have one-on-one coaching programs, your business structure is most likely dependent only on your time and energy. This means that there might come a point where you might hit what people call an income ceiling. Say you work 8 hours out of 24 hours in a day, right? And you spend 90 minutes in one-on-one client calls and 30 minutes preparing for them. So that in total is 2 hours. That means that you can only work with 4 clients in a day. That's if to say that you're not doing any other business tasks like administrative tasks, marketing, content creation, strategizing, managing your team, and so on. So let's just say that your coaching is priced at $2,500. That means that with 4 clients, you are making $10,000 a month. What happens then if you want to work fewer hours? Because, for example, you're having a baby, or you're going on vacation, or you just get sick and you want to be able to take care of yourself more, or you just don't feel like taking on more clients, right? So that means that most likely your business will make less profit if you work less. Now, what if you want to scale from 10K per month to 20K per month? Does that mean that your only option is to hustle and grind and never stop working and just work more than 8 hours a day? Nope, you have definitely other options. And there is no ceiling when it comes to an online course. This is what I'm trying to say. With an online course, you can go from one-on-one to one-to-many model. Whereas before, your time and energy only go to one person. Now, with the same level and energy, you can serve more people and make more income. So the same goes if you are a service-based entrepreneur. Now, you can also leverage courses to create hybrid coaching programs. Hybrid coaching programs are a huge thing in the industry right now. Many coaches really love it because it's the best of both worlds, coaching and courses combined. It delivers more value and has way more organized information because coaching clients have a portal of information to go back to and watch for reference. This also means that if you are a coach, you don't really have to teach the theoretical and even the practical parts to every single individual inside your one-on-one coaching calls. You can literally do all of that in your course, and then the coaching part can be where you can focus your energy and your time and create personalized strategies and make sure that your coaching is really customized to the specific needs of your individual clients. This also means that you won't have to repeat yourself over and over again. Third way to leverage courses to grow your business this year is to upsell your current products and services with online courses. Let's just say, for example, that you have a book or a program or a service. Now I want you to think of an idea on how you can create a course that would complement that. So your course can be an add-on to your digital product, or it can serve as a next step for people who bought your masterclass or your webinar or even your book. So say you're a coach who is also an author. Think about creating a course that complements your book, or one that readers can take if they want to delve deeper into the topic that you tackle inside your book. You can also grow your business by generating passive income from your online course. Now, if you're a coach, freelancer, or service provider, you may be getting questions about how they can become like you or learn what you do so they can also provide services and make money the way that you do. If so, consider imparting your skill and your expertise to others by building courses, and this will also serve as an additional income stream for you and your business. So having one in your product suite means that your income is not only dependent on your one-on-one clients anymore. Plus, this additional income stream can support you during feast and famine cycles where you don't get as much clients, or you just probably are not feeling to take more clients on that month, because as long as you promote and launch your course, you can potentially get sales even while you are sleeping, or while you're on vacation, or while you're taking care of your kids or your loved ones, and so on. Now, I want to say a disclaimer here. Creating a course and having it in your product suite does not mean you don't have to put any kind of effort or work on your end anymore. If you define passive income as there being no such effort coming from you to make money, then a course wouldn't really fit in that category. You know, because a lot of times when people think about passive income, they think, okay, I'm just gonna have a course and then that's it. No more energy and time and effort from me. I'm just gonna leave it there. But that's not really the case. Every once in a while, you have to check how your course is doing. See if there's anything you can improve. Plus, make the effort to consistently launch and promote it so you can get even more sales and make sure that it is still profitable or it is still relevant to your students and to your audience. And especially if the way that you're delivering your course is a hybrid coaching program, right? So you have to show up to coach the people inside your course. That doesn't really sound like a passive income the world's way, right? But still, for me, I personally definitely believe that a course can be a passive income stream, especially if in the long run you have an evergreen sales strategy where you have built momentum and influence in this course that your students are just talking about it and there are more and more people coming into it without you doing any kind of work. Lastly, you can also leverage courses to build your authority and your credibility in your industry. If you're a speaker, author, or a coach, courses are a great way for you to establish yourself as an expert in your field. Your course is a tool that you can use to get people from where they are at to the transformations and the outcomes that they desire. Plus, they say that the best way for you to improve and understand what you do as a speaker, author, coach, as an expert is to teach them, to teach your expertise. So by doing so, you're not just serving other people, but you're also growing your influence as a whole. And here's the thing, your course students will inevitably talk about your course and talk about you too as their mentor, especially when they get results. And they will become your brand ambassadors. They will become your marketers, right? And so this in turn will help you bring more sales and more people to help in your course. Okay, so all of that said, tell me, how are you planning to leverage online courses to grow and scale your business this year? Comment below. Friend, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up below and share this with your friends. Also, if you'd like to discover how to make 5 figures in your coaching or service-based business by turning your God-given expertise, gifts, and skills into profitable and transformational online courses, then make sure to check out and download our free Road to Your Course Success case study and course guide. Just go to myrrakate.com/course success guide to get access to this freebie. Now, check out this video next to see how you can make money selling online courses as a digital content creator. See you in the next video.